Hey there, this is Lily. Have you ever accidentally deleted photos from your iPhone and thought they were gone forever? Well, today I have got some good news for you. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to recover these deleted photos. The first step is check recently deleted photos. Open Photos app, click on Album, scroll down to bottom and click on Recently Deleted option. Here you recently deleted photos. Deleted photos stay here for up to 30 days. If you want to restore any photos, click on Select, then click on Recover. After that, go to Library. Here is your deleted photos. The second step is Enable iCloud Backup. You should enable this option if you want to recover deleted photos later. Open Settings app, click on your name option, click on iCloud, then click on Photos. After that, enable the Send option. It will be save your deleted photos. And yes guys, here is the video. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you to resolve this problem.